to another episode of Budget Wednesday. I'm your host, Chef Kirk, and you know what Budget Wednesday we like to do? We like to go through this refrigerator and the cabinets and create a bomb meal for you. So I know it's been a minute, and I know y'all miss me. But we about to go through and make some great meal for you, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so let's go through our refrigerator, see what we got for this week on Budget Wednesday. All right, wow, it's been a minute since I opened this fridge, as you can tell. What's this in this bag? What we got? Okay, what's this? What is this? Oh, okay. I got some butternut squash. People. So we might make something with that real quick. Let's see what else we got. What do we got? We got some spinach, you know what I mean? Whoop. Yeah, it feels good. I ain't did that in a long time, man. I forget all about that. What else we got? Oh man, we got some peppers. We got some okra, some peppers. Might see what we can do with that. What else we got? Oh, peppers don't want to go in that pictures, I guess. And then what else we have up in here? We got some. Okay. Nah. I got carrots down here though. These are the biggest organic carrots I've ever seen in my life. What the hell? These carrots is on steroids. I'm just playing now, just organic carrots. Let's see what we got. What else we have? Oh, yeah, we got, our steeple holds some onions, some more peppers, some tomatoes. All right, so we got a good amount of stuff to work with the fridge for right now. All right, let's go through the cabinet and see what we got up in the cabinets, all right? Woo, woo, ooh, we got raw honey. I don't see nothing that I want to work with around here. Let's take a look and see. We see anything here? I do have some milk. Might have to do something with that. Let's put that over here. Raw honey. Ain't gonna do nothing with the raw honey. Alright, let's take a look over here. See what we can work with. Yeah, I got some. Ooh, I got some couscous. Alright, so I got an idea what we can put together real quick. Alright, so let me see what I can put together real quick with all the ingredients, and I'll get back to you in a second. Peace! Alright guys, so after taking a look at all of my ingredients here, I decided to go with a butter squash soup with a quinoa okra spinach rice. Let's get this, baby. everybody, our finished product is upon us. Well, you know, I've been waiting 15 minutes to make this meal right now, and I'm starving. So let me try this bad boy, see how this is, all right? So this is our finished product here. It's our butternut squash soup with our okra, quinoa, spinach. Woo, I can't wait to try this bad boy. Matter of fact, forget all the talking. My mind is salivating. Let's go ahead and see what this is about. Let's see what this is about. Hot. Woo. Oh my God. I would give y'all some. I would give y'all some right now, but yo, fire! Right now, we're about to get into fall season, and squash is plentiful. You can get it anywhere. You can get it for like 4 cents a pound, 5 cents a pound. Matter of fact, if you know certain people, you get it for $3.99. I'm just playing around. But it's fall season right now. I want to create this fall menu for you guys, and this right here is a must try with, of course, oh my God, look at that. Look at that. I don't know about you guys, but thank you guys for watching another episode of Budget Wednesday. Guys, subscribe, share, like, and of course leave me a comment if you like the video. If you want the recipe, I may give it to you, but I mean, I'm just playing. I give it to you. I give you this one, not for free though. I'm never got free things. But anyways, thank you guys for watching another episode of Budget Wednesday, and look forward to the next one. Peace! I'm about to tear this up.